shows everything. Go. What is up, YouTube, and welcome to another Crib Zone excursion. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe for more. Slow down, Crypto. And we're romping his ass through Griffith Park. I have no idea where we are. I just know it's Griffith Park somewhere. I was hoping you were able to see the HollyWood sign, but I mostly just came here to exercise his ass. New environment is always extremely uncomfortable. Hopefully a deer comes out on us. Good boy. He's running all right. Today is the second day I'm in LA. I've been here for 2 nights. Oh, damn, speedster. You know your dog's hitting the VTEC when he does the possum run. Whatever comes up must go down. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Crypto, slow, Crypto! Get it! Wow, that was intense, Just like good squirrel food. Slow. Oh, you. Come on, let's go. Good boy, come on. Good boy, Crypto. Oh, shit. Okay. This way. Good boy, Crypto. Oh, good boy. Oh. My balls. That was an intense freaking hill that almost messed up my recovered foot. Shouts out that freaking hill, man. Get in there. We brought him to a picnic area. There's some weird looking dogs down there. Never seen those before. Come on, Crypto. Hey. Come on. I'm just trying to tire him before I take him to the HollyWood Walk of Fame. This is the first time I'll ever visit the Walk of Fame. I will be taking the longboard, golf course. Hopefully we don't see a damn mountain lion or something. That would be crazy. Child support. You wanted to see the sheepdog. Yeah, you take that piss, dog. Let's take his ass to HollyWood now. I could get a better costume than that. Deadpool and Superman fight. What a douche! Cars everywhere. They keep wanting to rent me a damn Ferrari. Oh, let's see if they accept crypto in the car. What's up, man?
What's up, man?
Is this a rental or something?
We do tools.
Tools?
Yeah, you see you have 2 type of tools. One to go to the HollyWood sign, one to go to Beverly Hills.
Oh, tours.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, nice.
Thank you.
Some of these stars don't even have names. They're just waiting for crypto blood.
Oh.
Look at all these stars. I have no idea who they all are.
Simon the Pharisee, we either love.
Hooters, oh, motherland. TMZ, what a rat. This is a rat station. Look at everyone just cross. Oh, no, I don't. I'm sorry.
Oh, 1 second. Hear me out.
You already gave me this. She tried to get me with her blue eyes.
Husky, Husky!
I think he likes Husky. Hey, I'll go.
We should, doggy.
He said, go ahead, and then he went. Cops in front of the smoke shop. Weird indeed. I think we got to the freaky side of Hollywood. Why does it smell like dank everywhere? This way. Chase the booty. Good boy. The last star. Barry Fitzgerald. Hey. Good boy, hotel. Oh, DRZ. A DRZ. No. Thousands of beautiful girls and 3 ugly ones. Wow. Let's go. Yeah. Extra exquisite. Oh. What is it, Crypto? Sit down. Sit. Oh, look, a water fountain. What the fuck is happening?
Feel free to follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat at KZE_production.